Welcome back, lock pickers, lock sport, everybody, far and wide. It's Albert. Once again, this one it's sitting really crooked in here because that's how I got it. It's got like zip ties holding tape around it and whatnot, so I had to kind of sit it in there like that. That's why it looks so funky in there. But I'll show you if I get it picked or if I get it picked again on camera. That's the bitting on the key. That's how I got it. And it says on here, the Prick 2.0, it says right here, key don't work for some reason, but actually it does. So I don't know if Bill Bacardi sent me this one, so maybe he fixed it, I don't know, but I think this is my first one by Big Willy. It says pinned by Big Willy. I think this may be my first lock by Big Willy. So I really appreciate that. I like trying, different people's creations. It's freaking fantastic. I guess that's what it's all about, right? The different styles and techniques that they build them with. Okay, anywho, like I said, it is sitting crooked. You'll see it's because of zip ties. Let's see. Tension wrench. Need that tight one in there because I got to go back and forth on it. That ought to be good. Okay. I did pick it a while ago off camera, but we all know that when the camera's rolling, I got a nice little click. I think that was one. No, actually, that was two. But yeah, when the camera's rolling, whole another ball of wax, right? I may have overset already. I'm going to go with a slightly deeper hook from the Sparrows. As I already know, I got to manipulate a couple in the back. That's how I got through it the first time. Yeah, it was just, I kept going back and forth with this thing, man. Just false set, and then I'd lose it. Then I'd get a false set, and then I'd lose it. Nice crunch there off of, I think it was two. A slight bit of a turn when I touched, I think it was 5. I think that's where my problem was the first time. Just trying to get back there. Because I got a pretty good feeling there's like a T-pin or something. It kept holding me up. Probably overset. Yeah. I think that was 5. Got a click, but I'm not really getting no rotation, so kind of useless clicks. If I need to go a little, I'm going to try a deeper hook. Maybe I need to go a little higher with that. Well, maybe I can't get it in there. There it goes. Yeah, I don't know. I think that pick might be a little too tall. Yep. Okay. It's a real booger. Yeah, thing's just too tall. I can't manipulate the pins with that thing. Come on, baby. Just had you a minute ago. Why you mean that? Why are you being mean to me now? Huh? What'd I do to you? Hmm? What'd I do to you? Hmm. There's lots of clicking, but ain't nothing moving. It's a beast of a lock, I gotta tell you, man. I got a slight turn, but that's all it's giving me. Come on, baby. Really? Back and forth, huh? Yep. Okay. We'll have to try this one another time, huh? Oh, the crunchiness. Oh, the crunchiness. Oh, wait. It's almost silly. Yeah, I got that slight turn back. Had a little bit of counter rotation on that one and I roasted it. There it is. I'll be damned. The kind of time we at 13. I'm taking that. I'm going to try to take it. 13 minutes. Okay. Oh boy. See if I can't take it. Alright, this is where I screw up because I'm trying to hurry up. Alright. Is that how it happens? That's how it goes down, right? Alright. Rush it, rush it, rush it. Bada boom, bada bing. Okay, it's open. We'll lock it back up because the key does work. That's a beast, man. Oh, come on now. Son of a gun. Come on. Hate it when the disassembly takes longer than the damn picking. Alright. Now I'm spazzed out because I got it open. So I'll screw something up. Oh, come on. Really? Give me a freaking break. Come on. Oh. We got it. All right. Jesus, yeah. That looks like a wreck. Looks like a car wreck. Okay. I'm just going to lay these out fairly quickly here. Well, I say that. That was 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this core is just annihilated. That's an ugly core. I don't even know what to call that stuff. There's some, I don't know, they're sliced across, I guess maybe for some T-pin action. A little bit of undercutting, sort of. I don't know. It's pretty jacked up. The top, let's see. Which one's the, okay, I could tell which one's the front. Tweezers, some light. Yep, T-pin, number 1. Seriously serrated in number 2. Number 3 barely popped up. Four and 5 is a T-pin. Okay. Yeah, springs are pretty much the same. Not going to worry about that. Gone into too much time anyways. Alright, here we go. This lock is, I don't think it has a name. It just says by, oh yeah, the Prick 2.0 by Big Willy. There's the pins. I know I'm going into a lot of time. This is flipped over, goes this way. So is that one. Ah, Jesus. Frick. Okay. There we go. Focused. Key pins. Got a serious serration in 1, couple serrations in 2, standard 3. Kind of a spool here and serration there. Pretty deep serration or spool in 5. Upper pins. Got a T in 1, serrated in 2. Very deep serrations in 3, ridiculously deep. Kind of a spoolie deal in 4, and this one here, it's got a few serrations in it, it looks like, and then it's reduced down kind of like to a T-pin, which was getting stuck on everything, and so was 1, like stuck on everything. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. I know this is a long one, but it was a tough lock. Big Willy, right on, man. Good luck. Thank you all for watching. Albert signing off.